Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss the results of the BPCL declared by the company. So if you see, the company has noted the revenue of 99,733 compared to 81,829 last quarter. So it is a good revenue noted by the company. Then the average total income declared by the company, that is 1,409 compared to 82,230. So overall total income is good compared to last. If you see the total profit for the period, that is declared by the company is 10,641 compared to the 1,819 loss, that is loss declared by the company last financial year quarter. So there is a good improvement in the profitability by the company if you see the overall results. So I am expecting the good momentum in the BPCL in near future. So as per me, there is a good profit, that is a 10,641, that is 100 billion compared to the 1,819 loss last year. That is a very good uh, profitability declared by the company. If you see dividend and the other factors, we will look out friends. The dividend declared by the company is around 58 rupees friends. It is a 58 rupees friends, and it is including a special dividend of 35 rupees per equity share of 10 rupees. So it is a good dividend amount declared by the company, and it is a good benefits to their shareholders in near terms friends. So as per me, it is a good financial results declared by the company. And if we see more aspects of the company financially, if you see the GRM, that is important point, that is average gross refining margin. It is seen as $4 per barrel at the 31st March year ended year, compared to 2.5 rupees per 2.5 dollar per barrel. So it is a good GRM also company have declared. The market sales of the corporation for the year ended 31st March is a 38.74 MMT compared to 43.10 MMT achieved last year. So it is a declination in market sales. So that is related to mainly HSD retail, that is minus 10%, and MS retail, that is minus 7%, and ATF is minus 60%, and there is partially offset increase in the LPGs, that is 6.7. So it is a overall results are good as per me, and you can invest by buy on dip strategy friends. So it is a good stock for the investment purpose also. So we will see the chart and we will try to analyze what the chart says for the near future. So we will go to chart friends. So friends, chart of BPCL I have projected in front of you. In that I have marked EMA line, that is a 50-day exponential moving average, and the chart of weekly is projected in front of you friends. 472 closing given by the BPCL today. If you see, the weekly high made by the BPCL recently was of around near 500, that is around on 2020 January, approx January November 19 November, the company has made the high around 488. So this was the high company has made on the November 19th. So after that, it will try to catch this high as per me. And if we mark the horizontal resistance line on the high made by the BPCL is around 492. If it cross and sustain above the 494 friends, if it cross and sustain above 494 friends, so I am able to see the target of 550 plus in the BPCL near future. So the if you see the complete trend of the chart, it is the BPCL respecting the 50-day exponential moving average. But from the since 2018, the BPCL has given the downfall, and it is trading below the 50-day moving average. So now again trying to catch the upside potential by the BPCL in near future. So I am expecting the good momentum in the upcoming weeks in the BPCL. So I am expecting the 550 plus target in the BPCL. So if you see, if you get the gap up in tomorrow opening, so I'm asking to please avoid the immediate gap up entry. So and invest is on buy on dip strategy, that is on 21-day moving average. If we mark a 21-day moving average, or if we if we mark a Bollinger Band, if we mark a Bollinger Band, uh, then we will try to able to get more clarity. So if tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if the band is getting blast at this point, so that is around 494, then you need to enter at around 20-day moving average or 9-day moving average, and you able to see a good momentum in near term, friends. So I am expecting a good momentum. If you see the important support for the BPCL will be a 370. Important support will be a 370, and I'm expecting the, if you getting the BPCL at 370 price, so you need to accumulate the BPCL or 400 and 40 30 level, so you need to accumulate the BPCL. So as per me, important support is 370, and immediate support will be this 21-day moving average, that is a 425. So 425 is important immediate support, that is important immediate support is 425, and if you get at this price, you need to accumulate the stock, friends, for the target of 550 plus. So I am expecting the good momentum. If you see the RSI, I will try to get the RSI trend. So RSI is about to try to breaking the 70 level. If you see, the RSI is trading at around 66, and if it cross our 70 line, that is this, like this, then there will be a sharp rally on the upside, and BPCL will try to catch a 550 to 600 level, friends. So so you need to keep watch on this stock movement if you want to invest, and try to be a patient, that don't do a entry on the gap up directly. So you need to be a patient, and after that confirmation, you have to wait at every downfall if you want to do the SIP. So this is all from my side, friends. So try to analyze the stock from your side, and then only invest, instead of investment directly based on any recommendations. So stay happy, friends, stay healthy, and have a safe investment. Thank you, friends. Happy trading, safe trading.